time for you to tell me everything about my car.
Alright, so this is the gasoline.
Okay.
And that looks that. But it pulls it.
It does what?
That pulls it.
It pulls it?
Yeah. And I also need to if you touch the top of that, then it can make you hurt your finger. And this is what protects those spots.
It protects it?
Yeah. And I wanted to tell you that this is totally your radio thing to make it have with the free. And up there, that's the thingy where you pull it down. But these are your screws, and that's your red part that makes it go fast. And that's your wheel.
That's
Let
it?
me show the other. You see this? When you press it, it makes a little noise.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And do you know what this is? The
What?
red thing.
And what's the red thing do?
It makes the thing not come off.
The thing?
What did you say?
The thing?
Yeah, it makes it not come off. And the thing on the front, it makes it not come off.
Was that everything?
No, not where I need to show you about your truck now.
Okay.
So, like, we gotta go in the front and yeah. Can I show you something?
Good.
These are your long screws. You need long screws because if you don't have long screws, then your tires can fall off. We're driving super fast. But, you know that cars are not stronger than trucks.
Right.
But trucks can pull cars back. And if you have a car, then you can't pull another car back. But if you have a truck and a truck that you have to pull a truck, and as a truck, then you can almost do it, but you can't almost. Like you can almost do it, but you can't because it weighs the same meter.
You have no idea what you're talking about, do you?
Yes, I do.
All right.
Meters are thing that like how much big it is.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the air.
This is?
Yeah. You know that?
I know that now. I'm glad you told me.
Because now trucks or car if it has this, then that has the most wind. That's when the wind gives it more wind to breathe.
I got it.
And when you say trees, like trucks can pull trees back because trees are not heavy and instead have a lot of branches.
Have you seen somebody do that?
Uh-huh.
Who?
Do my family, but I saw Uncle Kyle do that before.
I'm going to ask him.
No, don't. I just want to show something.
You done?
No.
You done telling me about cars?
Yeah. We gotta go back to yours. So, you see that little light?
Yeah.
That makes you see that light. And it also makes you see that. So, if you see bad stuff, to run them over and throw them down.
Okay. Thank you.
And also, you gotta make sure no bugs bite you because I don't want you to get hurt.
Thank you.
But now I got to tell you about your gasoline. Your gasoline
Weed?
Yeah,
What kind of weed?
I can mean dirt weed.
Oh.